Hello students, in this class we'll see trigonometric ratios values for 60 degree and 30 degree. That is sin 30 is how much, cos 30 is how much, tan 30 is how much, or sin 60 is how much, cos 60 is how much, tan 60 is how much. Okay, for that one let's start. We'll draw a triangle ABC where this is a right angle here, ABD and ADC at the D, and we call this B as 60. Obviously, in ABD triangle, A becomes how much? Because angle sum property 180, this is 90 plus 60 150, and this becomes 30. So in the triangle ABD, we can get the values. Let's see. Similarly, if you find the values here in the figure ABD and ACD, they are similar triangles, congruent triangles. Why? Because triangle ABD congruent to triangle ACD. Why? D is 90 degree, right? Check out your congruency triangles you have to make out. In this figure, we say ABC is an equilateral triangle. From the figure, ABD and ACD are congruent. Why? Can anyone guess? Because the congruency rule, AB and AC are equal. See, AB, AC equal, AD common side, it is triangle ABC is equilateral, and D is 90 here, D is 90 here, each 90. Therefore, by RHS, right? They are congruent. When they are congruent, we can say BD equal to DC, CP, CT, and we can take angle BAD equal to CAD, that is also CP, CT. That's the reason we got this as 30 and this will be again 30. Okay, this part. Okay, this is not required as for trigonometry ratios finding 30-60 value. I just informed you about the congruency, and that is needed to get the value A as 30 and BD and DC are equal. So since it's an equilateral triangle, we will say let AB equal to BC equal to AC is equal to 2A units. Means this is 2A, this is 2A. Then how much this becomes? A and A, right? BD and DC. Okay. Therefore, can we find AD square here? Because in a right angle triangle, we need all three values to get the ratios. So AD square is what? AD square is in triangle ABD you take, not ADC. Either way, it comes same. I'll write it. In triangle ABD, AD square is AB square minus BD square. AB square is 2A whole square minus A square. That is 4A square minus A square becomes 3A square. Therefore, AD becomes root 3 into A units. Because square root of A square is A. Since we have all three values of a triangle sides, we can straightway jump and find root 3 since 30 values of ratios, T ratios, and 60 values of T ratios. This becomes how much? Root 3 into A. Okay, so can we find sin 30 is what? Opposite by hypotenuse. What is opposite? Check out the angle. Please observe the particular required angle. Sin 30 is BD by AB. Opposite by hypotenuse. BD is what? A. AB is what? 2A. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. A cancels. Cos 30 is what? Cos 30 is nothing but adjacent. What is adjacent? AD. By hypotenuse is AB. Okay. AD is how much? Root 3 into A. And AB is what? 2A. That is root 3 by 2. Cos 30 is how much? Root 3 by 2. Tan 30. Tan 30 is how much? Opposite by adjacent. Opposite what? BD. Adjacent what? AD. BD is what? A. Adjacent is root 3 into a. That is 1 by root 3. Once we know these things, we can reciprocal them to get the cosecant, secant and cot. So I'll just in a single line. Cosecant 30 is reciprocal of sin 30. That is 1 by 2 reciprocal is 2. Therefore, cosecant 30 is 2. Secant 30 is reciprocal of cos 30. That is 2 by root 3. Cot 30. Reciprocal of tan 30. That is 1 by root 3 reciprocal is root 3. So this is values for 30° of ratios. Same triangle we find 60° ratios. Say, see, sin 60. Sin 60 is opposite is what? AD by hypotenuse is AB. AD is root 3 into A by AB is 2A, that is root 3 by 2. Cos 60 is adjacent by hypotenuse. What is adjacent? BD. Hypotenuse is AB. BD is A and AB is 2A 1 by 2. Tan 60 is opposite by adjacent, that is AD by BD. AD is how much? Root 3A. BD is A. That becomes root 3. Root 3A by A, root 3. Okay. So, what is the value for cosecant 60? Secant 60, cot 60, reciprocals of this same thing. So, I'll write here cosecant 60 is 2 by root 3. Secant 60 is 2. Cot 60 is 1 by root 3. Because cosecant 60 is reciprocal of sine. Reciprocal. Similarly, secant 60 is reciprocal of cos 60. 1 by 2 reciprocal is 2. Cot 60 is reciprocal of tan 60. That is reciprocal of 1 by root 3 is 1 by root 3. Okay. Please, this whole part is not required. This is not required. It is to understand how we arrived at the values. Only the sign ratios and the values. Sin 30, cos 30, tan 30. Similarly, sin 60, cos 60, tan 60 are needed. The values we have to memorize. We'll see in the next class. Once we find all the angles, a table format I will provide you and we can remember that. Okay. Thank you.